1. Start an online business. With the rise of e-commerce, starting an online business can be a lucrative way to generate wealth. Whether it's selling your own products, dropshipping, or offering digital services, the internet provides endless opportunities for entrepreneurial success. 2. Invest in the stock market. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. By carefully researching and selecting promising companies, you can potentially earn significant returns on your investments. 3. Develop a passive income stream. Passive income refers to money earned with minimal effort on your part. This could include rental income from properties, dividends from investments, or royalties from creative works. By building multiple passive income streams, you can steadily accumulate wealth. 4. Become a freelancer. If you have a marketable skill, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or consulting, you can offer your services as a freelancer. This allows you to work on your own terms and charge premium rates for your expertise. 5. Create and sell digital products. With the growing demand for digital content, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, templates, or stock photos. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly, generating a passive income stream. 6. Start a YouTube channel or blog. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular niche, starting a YouTube channel or blog can be a great way to share your knowledge and monetize your content through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 7. Invest in real estate. Real estate has long been considered a reliable investment option. Whether it's residential properties, commercial buildings, or even land, investing in real estate can provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation in value. 8. Build and sell online businesses. Just like physical businesses, online businesses can be bought and sold. By identifying opportunities to create and grow profitable online ventures, you can build them up and sell them for a significant profit. 9. Create and sell handmade products. If you have a talent for crafting, you can create handmade products such as jewelry, artwork, or home decor items and sell them through online platforms like Etsy or at local markets. 10. Develop and license intellectual property. If you have a creative streak, you can develop original intellectual property such as inventions, patents, or trademarks and license them to companies for a fee or royalty payments. Remember, while these options have the potential to generate wealth, success will require hard work, dedication, and strategic decision-making. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends.